Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom hasn't been around for a couple years. We're talking for more than 4 decades now. So today we're at their newest location on the southeast side, back with Adam talking anniversary sales. First, happy anniversary.
Thanks, Cameron.
I know you haven't been here 40 years, but man, what a feat that is.
Oh yeah, it's incredible, really. Started in 1986.
I was born that year.
Out in Colorado. So now we've grown into the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer. We've got 2 stores in Columbus that are enormous, 40,000 square feet almost in each one of these stores. So we have the most in-stock appliances of anyone in the Columbus area. And we've been saving people money for 40 years now.
Now, how do you do that? How do you save people money and get the prices so low as we're about to see?
Well, one of the ways that we save people money is our special buys. And that's really what makes us special. So basically we have contracts with all the major manufacturers. Anytime they have a supply chain gridlock, overstocked appliances clogging up their warehouse, we buy them at a big discount. They're still brand new in the box, full warranty, but we get a great discount on them, and then we can pass the savings along to our customers.
The customers get to take advantage. So let's do that right now, starting over here. What anniversary sales you got going on?
So we've got an incredible deal on these KitchenAid appliances. We bought thousands of refrigerators, microwaves, and ranges. So right now, we are running an incredible special where you buy this stainless steel counter depth KitchenAid refrigerator.
Look at that guy.
MSRP on the fridge alone is normally $36.99.
Yeah.
Now, buy it for $32.99 after rebates. We are going to give you stainless steel KitchenAid microwave and range for free.
I was expecting just this. You're telling me it's the triple?
The whole package.
Wow.
MSRP on this whole package would normally go for $6,179.
I mean, we're talking almost half off. And I love that they match and look perfect together. All right, so staying in the kitchen, what's this guy right here?
So we've got an incredible deal on these KitchenAid dishwashers. These are normally $1,049. Come in, mention our keyword anniversary. We're gonna get it to you for only $599.
40 years never looked so good. These savings are amazing. Now, what about the washer and dryer?
So moving on to the laundry room, we have a Maytag Deluxe top load washer dryer set. Big box price on this is normally $1,949 for this set. Once again, come in, mention anniversary, our keyword, and we're gonna get it to you for $574 each when you buy the set.
Gosh.
So we are completely overstocked on refrigerators
Wow.
right now. And this actually brings me to another way that we can save our customers money. We carry tons of open box appliances.
Okay.
So basically with those, anytime a box is damaged, the manufacturer won't ship it to the home because they don't want to have damaged product in the customer's home. So we buy them by the truckload, we unbox them, make sure they're in new condition. They still have full factory warranty, but they're just not in the box. You can save a ton of money.
It looks brand new.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, they even come still factory sealed on the inside. It's just, they're not in the box.
Wow.
So with these refrigerators, we've got thousands of overstocked inventory right now, so we're lowering the price. We've got side-by-sides starting at $799.
That's unbelievable. So you got the kitchen, the laundry room covered, and clearly when they come out here, a huge mattress selection as well.
Oh yeah, so we have Mattress Kingdom inside of Appliance Factory as well too. So we carry all the most new and innovative brands. I've got Purple, Nectar, Dream Cloud, Beauty Rest Black, the classics like Tempur-Pedic, Stearns & Foster, and ceiling mattresses, all at incredible prices. But right now you got to hurry in because for a limited time, we've got 50% off on some of our Purple mattresses right now.
Ooh.
So we've got 2 locations here in Columbus now. One on the north side off of Sawmill Road by the Dublin area. And then we're at our newest location on the southeast side, just north of Canal Winchester in the former Sears outlet.
Covering both ends. Adam, happy 40 years to you guys.
Thank you.